Okay, we're on our service call. They have hot water. On the LED diagnostic, it tells us weak pilot signal, which is actually looking at the previous heating cycle, the last time the burner was on and heated water. The pilot signal wasn't as strong as what the gas control would expect. We want to open up the combustion chamber and actually remove the pilot assembly. The pilot assembly is constructed of an electrode, a spark electrode, which also sends a signal back to the gas control that there's a pilot flame there. It's not uncommon to see oxidation or corrosion build up on the electrode itself. We'll want to clean that off. At the same time, looking at your wire, making sure there's no kinks or cracks, splits, if you will, and then the connection into the gas valve. Reassemble after it's cleaned and inspected, reassemble. And if the problem persists, you get that error code 2 again, you'll want to look at the gas valve as a possible culprit.